Stop eating now the 6 foods we will show you in this video. Oregon, else your kidneys will pay the price. Did you know that you often consume foods you consider healthy or harmless but have high damaging properties for your kidneys? Your dietary choices play a crucial role in maintaining kidney health. So without further ado, let's get to the 6 foods that are harming you. But if I were you, I would stay until the end of this video, where we will reveal the main food that you should never consume from now on. Potatoes and tomatoes, beloved staples in countless diets, offer versatility and flavor to many dishes. However, for individuals with kidney disease, these seemingly harmless vegetables can pose a significant challenge due to their high potassium content. Excessive potassium intake can be dangerous for individuals with compromised kidney function, leading to hyperkalemia. Consider this. A medium-sized potato contains approximately 900 milligrams of potassium, while a medium tomato contains about 290 milligrams. For individuals with kidney disease, these levels can quickly add up. To enjoy these foods safely, try soaking potato slices in water and vinegar or lemon juice to reduce potassium content. Similarly, peeling and deseeding tomatoes can help lower their potassium levels. But what if I told you that there was an even simpler way with a hack that could improve your kidney health? Stay tuned to find out. If you want to stay informed about your health, well-being, and longevity, subscribe to our channel and activate notifications. Here you will be informed every week, and we are committed to guiding your life towards a better path. Unfortunately, many common foods can contribute to kidney damage without you realizing it. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, is a growing concern worldwide. Your kidneys filter waste and excess fluids from your blood, regulate electrolytes, and produce hormones that control blood pressure and red blood cell production. Proteinuria, characterized by excessive protein in the urine, is a significant risk factor for the progression of kidney disease. Then, find out what doctors hide from you that could be leading to kidney problems. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are often praised for their calcium and protein content, but can pose risks for those with kidney issues. The high protein content can lead to elevated levels of urea in the blood, known as uremia. Additionally, dairy products are high in phosphorus, which can contribute to bone pain and weaken bone density, increasing the risk of fractures and cardiovascular disease. Moderation is key when consuming dairy products to avoid potential harm. Now that we've uncovered the dangers of dairy products, let's talk about another controversy that supermarkets don't want you to know. Now that we've debunked dairy products, let's talk about another controversy that supermarkets don't want you to know about. While canned vegetables may seem convenient and healthy, they often contain high sodium content and harmful additives, posing risks to kidney health. Excessive sodium intake can raise blood pressure, forcing the kidneys to work harder. To minimize the negative impact, opt for fresh or frozen vegetables whenever possible. Rinsing canned vegetables under water can remove up to 40% of the sodium content, making them a slightly healthier option. In just 3 seconds, we will reveal the best hack to make your breakfast flow healthily and not the other way around. If I were you, I wouldn't miss it. To minimize the negative impact, opt for fresh or frozen vegetables whenever possible. Rinsing canned vegetables under water can remove up to 40% of the sodium content, making them a slightly healthier option. Moderation is essential when consuming whole wheat bread to avoid excessive potassium and phosphorus levels. In the next section, we will uncover a little-known secret that can boost your immune system. In the next few seconds, we will discover a little-known secret that can boost your immune system. Bananas are celebrated for their nutritional benefits but are rich in potassium, which can be risky for those with kidney disease. Hyperkalemia, characterized by high potassium levels in the blood, can have serious implications for heart health and overall well-being. Symptoms include muscle weakness, fatigue, and irregular heart rhythms. Individuals with kidney disease should exercise caution when consuming potassium-rich foods like bananas, and opt for low-potassium fruits such as apples, berries, or grapes. And now, let's move on to the promised most hidden and harmful food for your kidneys. Surprisingly, you won't believe how this impacts your daily life. And now let's move on to the promised most hidden and surprisingly harmful food for your kidneys. You won't believe how it impacts your daily life. Processed meats like bacon, ham, sausages, and hot dogs are loaded with sodium and preservatives like phosphates, which can harm your kidneys. High sodium intake can cause elevated blood pressure, straining your kidneys. Preservatives can lead to mineral imbalances, affecting bone health and adding stress to your kidneys. Processed meats also contain advanced glycation end products, AGEs, promoting inflammation and oxidative stress, exacerbating kidney damage. If you want to have a healthy eating guide in your daily life to easily live to 120 years old, don't miss the link we'll leave pinned in the comments. Your physical health, mental health, and well-being will thank you and be happy for sure. Take a look at the comments. Recognize the power of small dietary changes in protecting kidney health. By understanding which foods to avoid and making smarter dietary choices, you can significantly reduce the risk of kidney damage. Have you discovered healthier alternatives that align with your dietary needs? Thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Share your thoughts in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.